Alright, it's recording. Take time. No. Sit the drag, sit right.
He just caught a, what is it, a catfish?
Yeah.
He just caught a catfish. He's reeling it in.
You're on the cam. Cool. Well, get his picture in there too so they know who's catching it.
I did.
Talk to him. Say, damn, honey, that ain't how you do it. I don't hear.
Pull up, baby.
As long as that drag sticks out, he won't break the line.
Get it, baby, get it. Oh my God, he is huge. He is freaking humongous.
He's going away. What's that? Play. Keep your tips up. Let him take that drag if he's not tired. Every time he gets across the bank, he'll want to take off. Get that line tight. Just spit that thing out.
Go, baby.
He's bigger than yours, ass. Dang.
Yeah, he is. He's way bigger. Damn.
Now, I don't believe that's 30 pounds.
You might want to take him out there anyway. Here, baby. Say something to the camera.
Got the first fish.
Whatever. First fish my ass.
Oh, he's got an attitude because his is bigger.
I want to pick it up.
Mine was first.
But it says don't pick it up.
That damage his gears.
Are you going to take him out there?